how to check if phone is linked with another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. So you can view if there are other devices on your Google account. So go to Google Chrome and then on the search bar search for accounts accounts.google.com. So hit go and then you will be redirected to your account. If you are not logged in, then log in into your account and then swipe to the left and you'll find security option. Tap on it and then scroll down. Here you'll find your devices. That means where you're signed in. You can tap on manage all devices and then you can check if your account is linked with other devices right here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.